I was just coming on real quick, guys, to show you the potato harvest. Since we're out here, what is it? Can't. What was over there? Oh. Well, this is what we got so far. I'm not sure of the name, but we had got these from our local store just as a potato. I think we put like 10 in here, 20, 12 maybe. That's what we got so far. And we're still at it. See if I can show you guys more of this. Hold on. Still trying to get what we can get. But I was like, oh, I think I have my phone. Let me show you guys what we're getting. So we got more. So these really do grow. And it has the purple inside. Let me show you. Before the camera goes out. Purple and white inside. Pretty cool. We seem to be getting a decent amount. Now, I'm going to end this video here because I know that my phone, the memory is full. But I just want to show you guys this. That we are still harvesting and getting things from the garden. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. And this is from 4 plants right here. Just a few. Well, I see my camera's acting up, so like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings.